talking like that?
That's Avon Barksdale.
You know what I'm saying? I'm Trey, like this is Disney Channel. Today for the chicken, for the season, I went to the old. You know, we're keeping it simple with the Minute Maid rice today. So first,
Minute Maid. Hey y'all, it's Bella and you're watching That's So Bella. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. Today I'm with my extended family and we're gonna be making, what are these called? Pineapple bowls. So this is one half of the Johnson Boyz. They have a catering business and I'll leave their information on the screen and down below in the description box. Hey, come on.
Alright, so I'm Trey, one half of the Johnson Boyz cooking, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial today.
Okay, y'all, so before we started, my job was to cut the pineapples up, and as you can see, I was having a little trouble, so I had to get Trey to finish. But yeah, if y'all have trouble, just watch a video on it. You just slice it down the middle and then cut a square in it and then dice up the pineapples and then get a spoon to shovel them out and then put them in a bowl. But it's really easy. And then we just laid them out on a tray to the side until we were finished cooking.
Alright, so first you want to get your pan hot. Get your handy dandy olive oil.
Okay.
Get your pan nice and coated with that olive oil. Move it around. We're gonna add the chicken first.
And it's already seasoned.
It's already seasoned. All right, today for the seasoning, we use the old reliable Old Bay. Can't go wrong with that. We got the garlic powder. You know, that's in everything. And then we got our next door seasoning. It's made locally. It's a pretty good seasoning.
What's up, Jace? We got our taste tester ready.
Now I'm gonna add the secret sauce. You know, can't tell you that one because when I do, I have to kill you.
I'm gonna kill you! It's good. But I'm still the best cook in the house. So.
Oh, okay.
All right, next we got the shrimp. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get it nice and coated with some olive oil. Make sure it's hot, but not too hot.
Why?
Because you're gonna burn the shrimp.
Well, they don't know that.
Hey.
You gotta teach them something.
Never mix your shrimp and chicken in the same pan either. That's how you get COVID.
Coronavirus!
What's going on here, son? Come on,
Go ahead, you go ahead.
I do it. Here, look.
All right. We got the skillet here coated with a little olive oil. So we're gonna lay them in there evenly. And not let them cook too long because you don't want them to dry out.
All right.
And, you know, it look like you got a little, what is that, parsley in there, a little Cajun seasoning. We're gonna make this thing, I guarantee, taste really good.
And who are you? Who are you, sir?
I'm the guy that taught the other guy how to cook. I'm
Okay,
Dad.
you're the other half of the Johnson Boyz.
I'm the other half of the Johnson Boyz.
Yes, this is Uncle June
Yeah.
teaching us how to cook.
Cause she hurt my feelings when I saw her on there with her
Wait a
dad
minute.
cooking and doing all that good stuff. And I'm like, dang, I showed her how to do a fried turkey. I didn't get to make the TV, so
I wasn't
here
even
we
on
go.
YouTube yet though.
All right, well, we're going to have to do it again then.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a turkey for next Thanksgiving. I'm gonna have to come back. Yeah.
So, you want to get your shrimp on there for about
You're not talking to the pan, you're talking to me.
2 to 3 minutes each side, and once they start to curl up, you know they're about done.
Okay, let me.
Alright. So we're keeping it simple today with the mini rice, white rice, and we got about 6 servings we're gonna do. So all I did was, 3 cups. Add a little more salt to the bottom of the pan. Got the 3 cups of water. We're gonna let it boil real quick.
Okay, just real quick.
And then we're gonna place our rice in there.
Alright.
Alright, so once the rice is cooked and nice and soft, you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add a little garlic. Us black folks, we like to eyeball stuff, so just gonna add a little garlic.
Right.
We're gonna add a little teriyaki sauce. You know what I'm saying? Just a little drizzle, a little drip. Then we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of Walker's Wood church seasoning.
Okay.
Some good stuff. Can't put too much in there. It's real spicy.
Alright.
Once it's all in there, we're gonna give it a nice little mix.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah.
Okay, y'all. This is the final. JC, go ahead and handle that. His stomach gonna be toe up.
Y'all want to record y'all?
You gonna tell the people bye too?
Goodbye. Look at them. Hey.
Scrumptiliciousness.
Come on, Ree, come say hey. Bye, y'all.
Bye.